Hey RV industry, if your endless hot water heater wastes gallons before it even warms up, it's not a feature, it's a flaw. On RV Life with Kim Hanna, I share real-world RV tips the industry needs to hear from people who actually use these rigs. They promise endless hot water, but in real RV life, that means endless waiting, while clean, fresh water runs straight down the drain. When you're boondocking, every drop matters. But this isn't just a boondocker problem. If you're dry camping in our national parks or anywhere without full hookups, this waste can cut your trip short. And here's the kicker. That water is not going down into a city sewer system like it does at home. Unless you're in an RV park with full hookups, it is going straight into your gray tank. That means it fills up faster, causing you to dump more often. Even at home, I never run my faucet wide open. Water is a precious resource. So why would I want to leave my RV faucet at full blast just to keep the heater from shutting down during low flow? RV industry, you can do better. We need hot water fast without draining our fresh tank or filling our gray tank before we're ready to leave. Figure it out, because wasting fresh water isn't just inconvenient, it's unacceptable. Do you think RV tankless water heaters waste too much water? Leave a comment below. And if you want to see exactly what I'm talking about, including what real RVers have to say about this, watch my full video. I'll leave a link below, and I'll see you over there.